So there's actually ways to increase your company's employees' productivity. This is what the Googles and Facebook of our world do to make sure that everyone in their team and company is as maximized as possible, and that's exactly what we'll be going over in today's video. The company office layout for deep work is very important. So the standard layout is housing different departments in different buildings. So Bell Labs, what they did uniquely is they connected the spaces into one contiguous structure joined by a long hallway. Some of the hallways would be so long that when you stood at one end, it would appear to converge to a vanishing point. So traveling the hall's length without encountering a number of acquaintances, problems, diversions, and ideas would be literally almost impossible. A physicist on his way to lunch in the criteria was like a magnet rolling past iron fillings. What's the result of setting up a collaborative office? In combination with recruitment of some of the world's best minds, the decades following the Second World War, the lab produced, among other achievements, the first solar cell, laser, communication satellite, cellular communication systems, fiber optic networking, information theory, coding theory, empirically validating the Big Bang theory, invented the transistor. Like, this is just insane. All from Bell Labs. Now, the crazy thing is, other companies such as Google, Facebook, and Apple have implemented the exact same thing. They set it in a way where it's open space, all the buildings are connected. For example, Apple, it's just one circular building and everything's connected. And all these top companies, they follow this exact same mindset when it comes to laying out their office. Now, another thing that's very important, pitch day. This is something that I implement with my company, where the last week of every single month, we go ahead and listen to a bunch of pitches from all our employees. So Basecamp.com, the company gave its employees the entire month of June to work deeply on their own projects. This month would be a period free of any shallow work obligations, no meetings, no memos, no PowerPoints. At the end of the month, the company held a pitch day in which employees pitched the ideas they've been working on. Results? This produced projects that brought in substantial value to the company. So a better suite of tools for handling customer support, data visualization systems that help the company understand how their customers use their products. These products would have not been produced in the absence of unobstructed deep work time provided to the employees. So they had a period of time just to really focus on amazing new ideas. And as a result, the company got a bunch of amazing ideas. And that's sort of what happens when you give your employees room to really come up and think and generate ideas rather than just keep on bombarding them with shallow work. Next, people might say, how can I afford to give my employees time off? And the answer to that is, how can we afford not to? That's all my tips when it comes to increasing your company's productivity. And I think the conclusion is that the more free, the more environment, the more collaboration, the more sort of time you give to your employees, you'll be surprised how much output and how much amazing ideas can come out of them. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, a consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Question of the day: are there any things that your job, your current 9 to 5, or you plan to do with your employees that you found to be very helpful when it came to increasing your company's productivity, or your company that you're currently working for has been able to implement to increase your productivity? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your answers. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.